The Redlands Straw Baler is characterized by its durability and efficiency. Designed to make agricultural work easier, this machine features a gearbox system with input shaft and spline profile gear, and the rollers are coated with TATA galvanized CR steel. It has an integrated hydraulic system that can be operated either electrically or manually, and all mechanical connections use swivel bushings from German company IGUS. The machine is fitted with an automotive lubrication system, and the drive chains are supplied by Reynolds UK. In addition, the rake tines and all springs are made from tri-grade spring steel and are designed to work on 6-ply tubeless tires. Features such as automatic bale removal and a bale counter make this machine ideal for a variety of agricultural jobs.